Long before European explorers arrived, Argentina was home to a rich tapestry of indigenous civilizations. In the northwest, agricultural societies thrived, cultivating crops and developing complex social structures. Meanwhile, nomadic groups roamed the vast pampas and rugged landscapes of Patagonia, expertly adapting to the challenges of their environments. In the northeast, the Guarani people established vibrant communities along rivers and forests. These diverse cultures not only shaped their surroundings but also laid enduring foundations for Argentina's cultural heritage. The era of Spanish exploration in South America began in 1516 as expeditions sought new territories and resources. Over the following decades, Spanish settlers founded key cities, including Buenos Aires, which became a focal point for colonial administration. The creation of the Viceroyalty of the Rio de la Plata marked a significant shift, consolidating Spanish control and organizing society into distinct social classes. Colonial life was shaped by economic activities such as agriculture, trade, and mining, while intellectual movements gradually introduced new ideas. These developments laid the groundwork for future aspirations of independence and self governance. The revolutionary period in Argentina began with the May Revolution of 1810, a turning point that marked the end of Spanish colonial rule in Buenos Aires and set the stage for broader independence efforts. Over the next 6 years, political and military struggles intensified as local leaders sought to establish a sovereign nation. In 1816, these efforts culminated in the formal declaration of independence at the Congress of Tucumán. José de San Martín emerged as a key figure during this era, not only shaping Argentina's fight for freedom, but also leading campaigns that liberated Chile and Peru. His strategic vision and leadership were instrumental in advancing the cause of independence throughout South America. In the years after independence, Argentina experienced its significant turmoil as rival factions vied for control. Civil wars erupted between the Unitarians, who favored centralized government, and the Federalists, who supported regional autonomy. Amidst this conflict, Juan Manuel de Rosas emerged as a dominant figure, ruling with an iron grip and imposing strict authoritarian measures. His regime eventually fell, paving the way for political reform. The adoption of the 1853 Constitution marked a turning point, laying the foundation for Argentina's modern state and establishing principles of governance that endure today. Between 1880 and 1930, Argentina experienced a remarkable period of economic expansion fueled by agricultural success and rapid urban development. This era saw millions of immigrants, primarily from Europe, arriving in search of new opportunities. Their presence transformed the cultural and social fabric of the nation, introducing new traditions and skills. As cities grew and industries flourished, Argentina emerged as a significant player on the global stage. The combination of prosperity and diversity during these decades laid the foundation for the country's modern identity. The 20th century in Argentina was marked by significant turmoil and transformation. The Great Depression triggered widespread economic hardship, leading to instability and a series of military coups that reshaped the nation's political landscape. Amid this unrest, the rise of Peronism brought new hope and controversy. Juan and Eva Perón emerged as influential figures, championing social justice and workers' rights while fostering a strong sense of national identity. Their policies and charismatic leadership left an enduring legacy that continues to shape Argentine society and politics today. During Argentina's military dictatorship, the country was plunged into a period known as the Dirty War. Thousands of citizens vanished without a trace, victims of state sponsored abductions and violence. In response, courageous groups like the Mothers of Plaza de Mayo began to publicly demand answers about their missing loved ones, becoming symbols of resistance and human rights advocacy. The regime's oppressive tactics left deep scars on society, and the disastrous outcome of the Falklands War further eroded the government's legitimacy. Ultimately, these events shaped Argentina's collective memory and fueled calls for justice and democratic reform. Argentina's return to democracy in 1983 marked a pivotal moment in its modern history, ending years of military rule and ushering in new hopes for political freedom. Since then, the country has faced ongoing challenges, including recurring economic crises and significant social transformations. Despite these difficulties, Argentina's vibrant culture, reflected in its music, literature, and art, continues to leave a lasting impression both regionally and globally. The resilience of its people has become a defining feature of the national identity, helping Argentina navigate adversity while preserving its unique spirit. This enduring strength remains central to the country's story today.